select a school to study, so you have to like try to figure out what school, what course, what's the course, what's the cost.
So it's not our job. Our job is to plan and get the job done what we can do. But you must think ahead where I'm going to work, where I'm going to get employed. So networking now. Okay? Any question? Most of you have gone through this. Okay, do you agree? Yeah, it's okay. You don't agree, it's okay. But that's their way of doing it. And even I can tell you, ladies and gentlemen, it is a project management. It takes a few days of planning work to be done but executed within 1 day. How long the party takes? The most is what? Half a day? Half a day? Wedding? The whole day? Very interesting. The plan to go overseas. Right, that's all, is it? This is the schedule of the plan to go overseas. But what is going to happen after that is not here yet. Saving. They want to save money first. So I think inshallah, when they get your degree by the time, so at the moment you got to find what is your target. I want to tell you something. If you are going for, I went for a 10-day visit to Europe, it cost me nothing less than 10,000 a day.
We will do it by doing surveys, internet-based searching, and we will use the state advisements also. And after that, we will fund the project with sadaqah or state funds usually, hoping that these will be enough.